Hey everyone, thanks for joining. This is David from Presence Videography. In this short video, I'll show you how to record an ultra-smooth panning video using your drone. I'm using the Mavic Pro drone, but most drones support the point of interest intelligent mode, and that's what I'll be using. So you can apply these techniques using whatever drone you have. To start, we need to get the drone up to the target height. I'm going to shoot my drone panning video shot of the Cascade Mountains at 300 feet. The next step is to set the video resolution. I'm going to be shooting the video of my panning shot with 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. Then you want to set your camera gimbal based on how much land versus sky you want. Then you want to set your focus by tapping on the subject. For this video panning shot, I'm focusing on the distant mountains. Next step is to set your exposure. Generally, you want to get the histogram in the middle so it isn't bunched up on the left or the right side. Okay, we're now ready to set up the point of interest intelligent flight mode. This will give us the ultra smooth panning we want, where the panning is controlled by the drone rather than manually. I found that a radius of about 250 feet is adequate. Then we need to set the speed for the drone. I found that for the 250-foot radius, about 2 miles per hour is adequate for a 4K 30 frames per second video panning shot. You will see me first set the speed higher as I move the drone to the right orientation to start the pan. Then I set the final speed at 2 miles per hour in the opposite direction for the actual panning video. The final step is to initiate the video recording. As the drone moves around the circle at the radius and speed we defined, it takes an ultra-smooth panning video of the distant mountains. And here is what the final video panning footage looks like. Ultra-smooth, way smoother than most of us could do manually. If you found this video useful, we'd love your support if you want to give us a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to get more videos like this. I'll put some other videos here if you want to see a real example of how I've used this ultra smooth panning technique in practice. Enjoy!